So nowadays everybody is working on videos, maybe to add to videos, maybe to cut to videos, maybe to have any effect in a video. Anything or everything on videos is a hot topic right now. So what I will do is I will just showcase a very simple technique of how to add two videos or how to trim a video into two by using one tool. I will show it in Mac. In Mac there is one player called QuickTime Player. So what you will do is, so firstly I will be showcasing how to trim a video. I will just open this video. You can see this video. It is of 2 minutes 17 seconds. So I want only first 30 seconds of the video. What I will do is, so here the QuickTime Player is opened. In this QuickTime Player I will go to the edit section. In the edit section I will go to the trim. Are you able to see this trim? Yes. So here I will go to trim, and if I want just first 30 seconds I will just drag it and the first 30 seconds trim. So first 30 seconds video is there for this whole video, and if I click on cross it will tell me where to save. I'll just do is export as trim in demo only. So save. So here see the trim video is there, and you can see yeah. So what now I will just showcase is how to add two videos. Now I will add this video 13 with this new video. In this video it is of 11 seconds. So what I will do is I will just click it. I will go to file, edit. I will just do add clip to end. Here edit, add clip to end. In demo I will just do this. So see, the new clip is added. Now I can select that this should come at the first place or the last. So what I will do is I can just go to make it to first place, or I can make it to last. So let's make it to last, and I will click on done. So just play here. The 217 was first, 11 is second. So this video will go until 217. Let's see what happens after 217.
Chetas, good boy.
See, did you see? The two videos are added now, and same way you can just click on cross and you can see that where to submit. So I will do is as sum. I'll greater compatibility and HEVC. I will put it as greater compatibility, because greater compatibility means it can be played with multiple players. I'll just click on save. So it's saving. So as these are high definitions, so it may take some time. So let's wait, guys. So this is one player. There can be many players, but this is a player which is inbuilt in Mac, QuickTime Player. So which is a very useful tool to add videos and trim videos. So just let's see, it's about to complete. Then we can see that this video is exported or not. Yes, this is a sum. You can see here. See, it is exported. Yes. So this is a way, guys, to add or delete any kind of videos in Mac with a player called QuickTime Player. Hope you like my new video. I will bring more and more videos related to any kind of information. And if any of you want any kind of information on any topic, just ping me in the comment section. I will look into it and I will see how I can help you. Thank you guys.